Compartmentation and its impact on watertight integrity. Compartmentation refers to dividing a vessel or structure like a submarine, offshore platform, or ship into separate enclosed spaces using watertight bulkheads, decks, and doors. This design principle is foundational to maritime and marine engineering safety. Positive impacts, how it affects water integrity. One is damage containment. If water breaches the hull or compartment, watertight boundaries restrict flooding to only the affected area, preventing the entire vessel from sinking. Two is structural reinforcement. Bulkhead used for compartmentation add the rigidity to the vessel's frame in enhancing overall structural integrity and helping to maintain watertight seals under stress. Three is functional segregation. Separating spaces for different purposes prevents cross-contamination or cascading failures that could compromise watertightness. Potential risk to watertight integrity. One is cylinder vulnerabilities. Watertight doors, hatches, and pipe penetrations through bulkheads are critical points of failure. Poor maintenance, improper operation, or wear can create gaps that allow water to spread between compartments. Two is design limitations. Overly complex compartments, layouts, or insufficient bulkhead strength may not contain flooding under extreme conditions. Three is human error. Inadequate training on watertight procedures or failure to activate emergency sealing systems during an incident can negate the protective benefits of compartmentation. Overall, compartmentation is a primary safeguard for watertight integrity, but its effectiveness depends on thoughtful design, rigorous maintenance, and proper operational practices.